Coming in first, a formation of 3C-130J aircraft led by Wing Commander Gopi Mohan, the Hercules formation. Coming in from your right. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Hercules formation of 3C-130J aircraft flown by Wing Commander Gopi Mohan.
Coming in next is the Indus formation of three AN-32s in rig formation. The formation is led by Wing Commander H.S. Sekhon. The AN-32 transport aircraft forms the backbone of all logistic support for the Indian Air Force. From your far right approaching, ladies and gentlemen, the Indus formation of three AN-32 aircraft led by Wing Commander H.S. Sekhon. Ladies and gentlemen, you will now witness a flying display by some of the frontline fighter aircraft in our inventory. Leading the fighter pack would be the Jaguars from Ambala. Behind the Jaguars would be three MiG-21 Bisons from Halwara, and right behind them would be the twin-engine MiG-29s known as BAS. The lead MiG-29 aircraft is the latest upgrade version. The MiG-29s will be trailed by a Vajra formation of three Mirage 2000s. Trailing them will be three Sukhoi 30 MKIs in a VIC formation. Next will be a single Su-30 which will carry out a vertical Charlie maneuver right in front of the dais. Today's flying display is efficiently coordinated by the Air Branch of Headquarter Western Air Command, is bringing together varied aircraft of the Indian Air Force launched from bases spread all over the country. Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking straight ahead. Three Jaguars in a victory formation, airborne from Ambala, are approaching us. Formation will be led by Wing Commander Jai Shankar Sriram. You will see the two wingmen dispensing flares. These flares are used during operations for evading enemy missiles. Ladies and gentlemen, the three Jaguars in a victory formation, airborne from Ambala, led by Wing Commander Jai Shankar Sriram. Coming up next will be three MiG-21 Bisons in a victory formation, airborne from Halwara, led by Wing Commander A.K. Budwar. Ladies and gentlemen, the three MiG-21 Bisons.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, is the BAS formation of three MiG-29s, airborne from Ambala, led by Group Captain Manu Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in from your front, BAS formation of three MiG-29s, led by Group Captain Manu Singh. Raising the tempo now and presenting an aerial salute will be the Vajra formation of Mirage 2000s, airborne from Gaudia, led by Group Captain A.S. Pannu. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Mirage formation.
Coming up next are the Sukhois airborne from Halwara, led by Wing Commander Manoj Nair. The aircraft will carry out the Trishul maneuver right in front of you, with the two wingmen peeling off in an upward landing maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the Sukhois in the Trishul maneuver, led by Wing Commander Manoj Nair. Now for the
icing on the cake is a single Su-30 flown by squadron leader Prashant, who will execute a vertical Charlie maneuver and present an equal salute to his chief. The aircraft will pull up majestically into the sky and carry out a series of rolls, disappearing into the blue yonder, symbolizing the Indian Air Force motto, Nava Strisham Deeptam. Ladies and gentlemen, the vertical Charlie maneuver presented by squadron leader Prashant.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the majestic Su-30 MKI disappears into the blue yonder, it's time to draw your attention to the elegance of the vintage. Rolling for a takeoff behind the backdrop in a very special flight. The de Havilland Tiger Moth of the vintage aircraft flight of the Indian Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Tiger Moth. Piloted by Wing Commander Kulshest, the Tiger Moth takes to the skies to enthrall you all with a display of the aerial capabilities of one of the most fondly remembered aircraft of Indian Air Force's invention.